Hi, hope you're having an awesome day. In this video we'll be drawing Babo from Ugly Dolls, and it's going to be a pretty cool drawing because he's going to be holding a heart-shaped cookie. It's going to be massive, it's going to be awesome. So hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Let's get started. Alright, so let's start drawing Babo, and I'm going to start drawing the top of his head first, and he's got a little puff of hair, or two little puffs of hair. So it's just going to draw a nice shape like that. It's kind of like an M shape. Like that, so that's the top of his head, and we're going to draw the sides of his head as well. And he's got a bit of a funny shaped head. It goes around like that, and then it comes out into his neck. There's a bit of a curve. And we're just going to stop there for now. And we're going to do pretty much the same shape on the other side. We're going to go out quite wide, and then curve down, and curve in, and again just stop about there. I'm going to draw the rest of his body shortly. Alright, so let's draw his face, and he's got two funny eyes right in here. Nice circle like that. And his pupils, very easy, they're just in the center, just a round dot like that. And let's draw his smile. He's got a really big smile. It is nice and wide. It's got a bit of a curve, so he's smiling a little bit. And then he's got two teeth, quite big round teeth in the middle. I think that's for eating his giant cookie. Alright, so that's his face, and let's draw the rest of him. Alright, so he's going to be holding a giant cookie in the middle, so let's start drawing his arms. And we're going to do a little curve, and he's got 3 fingers, just round shapes like that. Pretty normal cartoon hand. And then we're going to draw a nice big curve, and that's going to join up with the rest of his body there like that. There we go. And we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So we draw the inside of his arm here, and go to 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, and then we're going to draw a curve, and that again is going to join up with his body. There we go. Alright, I think it's now time to draw the cookie, and it's a heart-shaped cookie because he loves cookies. And so the easy way to draw a heart, and we've done this in previous videos, is to do 2 reference points. So we're going to do a point here, which is going to be the top of the heart where it curves in, and another one here at the bottom. So this makes it very easy to draw the heart shape. Now he's holding the arms in the front, so the cookie's going to go behind it, so we just have to make sure that we don't draw the parts by his hand. Alright, so let's start on this side here. So we're going to start from the center point. Nice big curve around like that, and again stop at his hand, and then we're going to carry on. Just imagine the line goes behind his hand, and then carry on from his finger down to that point there. And then we'll do the exactly same thing on the other side. There we go. And it doesn't matter if it's a perfect shape, because it's a cookie, and you know cookies aren't always perfect, but you should get a nice heart shape there like that. Now cookies, I love cookies, I'm sure everyone loves cookies. My favourite, and I think Babo's favourite, is chocolate chip as well. So we're just going to draw some chocolate chips in there. Just put some random circle sort of shapes, and we'll colour those in a little bit later. There we go, that's looking good. Alright, and let's draw the rest of his body. So there's going to be a nice curved shape from his arm here, and it's going to go down to about there. And he's got funny feet. I think they're just toes. And they're just 3 round curves like this. And then in the bottom we draw a nice curve here. And then again, just like we did with his other feet or toes, we're going to draw some nice curves there. And then the last bit is just a nice curve there, joining up to the rest of his body. Alrighty, so that is Babo, and he's holding a heart-shaped cookie. That's all the line drawing done. And the next step is to colour in. And we're back. We've finished colouring Babo. He's a very easy character to colour in. He's got funny yellow eyes, and he's kind of a bluish, greyish sort of colour. Maybe a bit tricky, but you know, you can colour him in grey. That'll be fine, or any colour really. And he's holding this giant chocolate chip cookie. I've just added some shadows in there, so makes him stand out, and also thicken some of the lines there as well. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing Babo with a giant heart-shaped cookies. Pretty cute character. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawing videos for you to enjoy and watch as well. So I'll see you next time. Bye.